While in this video, we will be learning the subject Advanced Manufacturing System, and the first unit is Introduction to Lean Manufacturing. So, in that, we will be learning the topic Objectives of Lean Manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is one of the advanced method which would help the manufacturing process, and it makes the manufacturing process an automated one with the help of computers, with the help of information technology, and also sensors. Sometimes automatic guided vehicles will also be used to make and facilitate the advanced manufacturing process or the modern manufacturing process. The sensors which could be used are the passive infrared sensor, which determines the presence of human beings, the fire sensor, which determines the presence of fire. Thermistors could also be used. Light sensors could also be used based on the application of the industry. Infrared sensors could also be used for identifying the obstacles. Sound sensors, metal detectors, these are the types of sensors which could be used to facilitate the modern manufacturing process. So, computers, programs could also be used. The best example for modern manufacturing or the lean manufacturing is using CNC machine in an industry. CNC machine is nothing but a computer numerically controlled machine. So, this type of machine, we will be programming. If I have a plain rod and if I want some types of turns and turns and some kind of dimensions in the rod, I can use the CNC machine so to reduce the dimension accordingly. So those types of rods could also be used in some other locations in the machines. So the thing is, the computer numerical control machine is totally programmed, and for that we have to learn the CNC programs. So the main thing is these types of modern manufacturing can also be used for high production, the flexibility, and it also increases the quality. But also, compared to traditional modern manufacturing, high volume, if I want the high productivity, and I can use the advanced manufacturing system, flexible manufacturing system, and one of the method, and computer integrated manufacturing could also be told as one of the advanced manufacturing method. So, computer design also facilitates modern manufacturing process because we have softwares like Fusion 360, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks. These softwares facilitate the design process effectively using computers, and the design engineers will also develop the designs and any type of modifications in the design and any type of changes in the design could also be made using using the system itself, and then it could be sent to the manufacturing team for the development process. So even if there is any advanced change, it can be made in the software itself, and then it can be again sent to the our manufacturing team. So these are the few methods which are used in modern manufacturing methods. So here we have lean manufacturing especially. So this lean manufacturing is also flexible, responsible, and it is efficient. So this lean manufacturing, it mainly focuses on increasing the efficiency, productivity. So if I want some 1 lakh products, then it could be made only through modern manufacturing process, and especially the lean manufacturing. It facilitates system satisfaction because the designs will be modified easily. So the best example for this type of production is Toyota production system. It is in car manufacturing organization. And so the main empathy for this is best quality efficiency. Compared to traditional, the advanced manufacturing mainly focuses on high quality and timely delivery, high production in a stress-free environment, 24/7 of production. So here we have the block diagram for the lean manufacturing process. It mainly focuses the quality, value, and it reduces the time. Here we have the mind map for this manufacturing process. These are the industrial applications. It could be used in here, automobile industry, aerospace industry, and pharmaceutical industries. So here we have the investment question, and these are the references. Thank you for watching.